So the standard and easy way to update your iPad would be this. Go to Settings, select General on the left side, and from there go to Software Update. You'll see an update, you tap to download it, and your iPad will handle the rest. Usually your iPad is pretty good at optimizing storage and, for example, temporarily offloading apps to make room for the update. But there are times when even that doesn't work, and you simply don't have enough free storage for the update. There's an easy solution for that. Plug your iPad to a computer and update through that. I'm using a Mac so I can view and update my iPad directly through AutoFinder. If you're on a Windows computer, you can download the Apple Devices app for Windows and use that to run the update. I'll add a link in the description for your Windows folks. If your Mac doesn't recognize the iPad, it might be because there's a pop-up window asking for permission to connect to an external device. A lot of times that pop-up can be hiding behind your active Windows, so if you're having trouble connecting, make sure you don't have a window like that open somewhere in the background. Once you're connected, just check for an update and install it. This will take a while. Your Mac will probably run a backup of your iPad first. You'll be prompted for your passcode a few times, and then the installer will run and reboot your iPad. Once you're all done, the iPad will connect again and tell you that everything is up to date. And that's it. Hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.